all the fitness are good. They are the well-being person, healthy person. So one part need not be necessarily a fit person. So you need to be a fit in every respect. We say the meditation. Meditation will make you a mentally tough, mental fitness. Religious fitness, people will have it with the moment they become positive about their religion. That they need not to harm anyone. They need not to harm anyone. They have to think in a positive way about every religion. Then it become a positive fitness in terms of the religion. And the social. See, if you are mixing up with the family, with the friends, with the surrounding people in the society, so that fitness will give you a person a social fitness. So all these different fitness are there. I may be physically very strong. I may walk like this. People may not harm me. But the mental fitness, then the religious fitness, spiritual fitness, social fitness, I may not have it. So the total fitness, the person will be acceptable to the society, to everyone, whether it is a family, whether it is a society, or wherever you work around. Because your nature is such. It is not only a physical thing for the person. I may have a strength. I can lift 5 kg weight or 10 kg weight or 20 kg weight. But other aspect I am not there. So every time carrying the weight is not the fitness. Carrying the weight is not the fitness. The well-being of the person is with the nature. With the nature. So, and many a time it has been said, some people they are physically fit but mentally not fit. So there is no coordination between the two fitness. So unless there is a coordination between the two fitness, you will not streamline the work. Your work will not be successful. The body may say one thing, but the mind may not agree. When the mind says something, body may not agree. So your coordination, your means oneness, body and mind oneness has to be there. And that oneness will be created. Ultimately, you have to make effort for those things. The body will listen to you, mind will listen to you. That coordination will come, and that will make you a proper fit person. There's many a time you want to do it something, but the body doesn't permit. The mind wants to do something, but the body doesn't permit. So unless there is a coordination, irrespective of the time, irrespective of the length of the hours, but the coordination is a work, and the moment the coordination is there, you can do a longer work, better work, and quality work. And better quality work, you need a coordination. So,
WHO also is the physical fitness, the person who is mentally,
correct.
then only the person is called the
Fit person, or healthy person. Healthy.
In addition to what the gentleman said, it has to be holistic.
Holistic.
Take into account. We just can't focus on one aspect.
Well, correct. In totality.
There has to be some proportion in all the activities.
Correct. According to one's activity. See, the proportion differs from person to person. According to the one's activity. Those who are doing a laborious work, their physical fitness has to be a little more than a normal man. Yeah, those who are teaching work, those who are doing intelligent work, so their mind fitness is required to be a more. The physical fitness is a little lesser, but the mind. It differs from person to person. So what level of the fitness one need, physical fitness or a spiritual fitness or religious fitness or a mind fitness. And then see what is happening, every person feels I am fit. But when they get exposed to the various things, they will realize, I could not do it this. But because the parameter of a fitness is not there. This is the parameter for this person. So parameter you have to define yourself. कि मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है कि नहीं. अगर मैं रात को 11 बजे जागकर भी मैं कुछ करना चाहता हूँ, कर सकता हूँ कि नहीं. मुझे रात को नींद आ जाती है कि मेरे यानी कोई भी टाइम के दिन में कोई भी टाइम में मुझे कुछ करना है तो मैं कर सकता हूँ नहीं. तो मेरी फिटनेस मैं खुद डिफाइन करूंगा और कोई नहीं करेगा. तो मैं कितना फिट हूं, मैं कितना यानी माइंड से फिट हूं, फिजिकली फिट हूं, वो सब हम अपने आप को डिफाइन करेंगे और कोई डिफाइन नहीं करेगा. अगर मुझे थकान लगती है तो मुझे सोचना है कि मुझे थकान लग रही, तो आई हैव टू चेंज ओवर टू डू समथिंग मोर. तो विद दिस पॉज शैल वी डू द सेकंड पार्ट. सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज. You feel exhausted? Shall we do the thing? Okay. See now very simple thing. Keep, you keep your hand like this. You keep your hand like this. The palm on the opposite side. Palm on the opposite side. Let the finger be open. Now turn around on the back side. Let us have a leg movement. Leg movement. थोड़ा. Yes. Come on, enjoy it. Very good. Wonderful.
It is like a dance.
It is like a dance. You will gradually feel the dance. You will feel at the shoulder. You will feel the shoulder. Complete rotation. Shall we count 10 more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Do you feel? हाँ, शोल्डर में लग रहा है? हाँ, कि बहुत सारा वजन उठा लिया मैंने. हाँ? So it is much better than going to the gym and do the weight training and all things. And अभी क्या करो? ये हाथ को यहाँ पकड़िए और नीचे खींचिए. अभी यहां से शोल्डर से पुश करिए आगे. Okay, very good. Rolling, waistline rolling, everyone does it. Okay, even the ankle सब लोग करते हैं. I will try to do something what normally people are not doing. What normally people are not knowing about the things. अभी हम लोग करेंगे फुटबॉल की किक मारेंगे. फुटबॉल में जैसे किक मारते हैं ना, वैसे किक मारना है, लेकिन it will be a continuous kick. You are not putting the leg down. So first we will use the right leg, and you are doing this.
Now you imagine a body position.
ठीक है? It appears easy, but जब बैलेंसिंग करना रहता है सब चीज के साथ में, तो it is difficult. अभी लेफ्ट लेग. Okay, very good. Now we will do it sideways. We'll do the sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. और नीचे नहीं मुकवानो बजे. So this works wonder, you know. It is a balancing act plus, you know, it is a leg exercise too. Left. Okay, same way you can do the pendulum. Same way, this. Okay. Okay. Same way, you can make the movement behind your leg. This.
Okay.
Yeah.
Horse also do.
Do you feel it? Okay. And now, very simple exercise for the back. आगे पीछे पैर करिए. It should be parallel to each other. Parallel to each other. And you have to try to lean back. You have to lean back. Don't lift your leg. You will feel the lower back. Do you feel the lower back? I need an answer from all of you. Change your leg. One more time. And now you have to hold the hand and push it down. Yeah, up, back. You need not to look up. Look straight. Look straight, yeah. The moment you push more hand down, you will feel the more back. Okay. Now you are leaning on the front leg. Bending from the front leg, back leg will remain the straight, and your head will go closer. It is something like this. Again, you feel the lower back. Again, take the head as much as possible in the front. It should go ahead of the front knee. Your head should go ahead of the front knee. सामने देखिए, ऊपर मत देखिए, पीछे का पैर उठाना नहीं है. Flat leg. Do you feel? Calf muscle, even the lower back.
Both the legs touching the ground?
Yeah. Take your head आगे ले जाए. जितना हो सके उतना आगे तुम्हारी चिन जाएंगी, उतना ज्यादा फील होगा. Okay, very good. See, it may not be available in the one book. Whatever knowledge I am sharing with you, it is of so many books, and especially on a sports medicine. Sports.
If you combine
Okay, now अभी हिल है ना, आप close to the body रखिए और नीचे press करिए. Again you will feel till the lower back. जितना जोर आपके पैर में आएगा उतना यहां तक आप महसूस करें. हो रहा है? These are the simple, as I have said, very simple exercise but effective exercise. Now toe. Okay. Now about the knee. Knee, according to the sports medicine, rolling of the knee is banned. It harms the knee, rather than helping, So we have designed the exercise. Keep on a one, you will be lowering down, keeping the back straight, and holding like this. And you have to hold. You have to hold. And when you go up, you have to stretch up the knee and then relax. You have to stretch up and then relax. So it is a wonderful exercise for the knee. Okay, now same thing. You try to see that your toes pointing on the sideways